Hello friends, welcome to Days in Life. Friends, most of us will live life in search of happiness or keep chasing happiness. So today we'll discuss about this only, life in search of happiness. But before telling something else, I'll tell you a very small story. There was one person who was praying to the God, and finally God became happy. He asked the person, okay, ask for a boon. The person asked, I want nectar, Amrit. God says, okay, you go in that direction 100 miles and it will be lying there. By listening this person keep running, walking towards that side 100 miles, empty stomach. He took couple of days and finally reached there. So he saw a big pot lying and he tried to drink whole the pot, and as a result he dies. That's what happened in most of our life. We chase success in the hope that once we achieve this, we will be happy. And we keep on chasing, and whole life we keep on chasing only, and we are not able to live. This also tells about our greed, or what you say is excess of everything is bad. And in this process there is a thought, there was movie comes Three Idiots, where the character plays by Boman Irani, he says life is a race and you push down others and win the race. And in that process we create lot of enmity with others and make our life further hell. Living or this journey, the so-called success of the life. So this is the life. When you live this life in the chasing success, and when you look at destination, the destination is only death. When we feel we have reached, actually we will die. And when we will die, we will realize that we have reached. Does that mean that we should live in today only? Something like, movie shows, Jindagi Na Milegi Dobara. No, I'm not saying that. We should not live in today only. But we should live first today, and also in such a way that we will live tomorrow also. Many people in the process of living today make the tomorrow hell. They don't think of tomorrow. That is also not correct. Another question arises, should we look for our happiness only? Yes, but certainly not at the cost of making others unhappy. Sometime back there a movie comes with the name Rais, and the movie was, character was played by, hero was Shah Rukh Khan. It was based on some true story of Gujarat. In the movie, in the beginning of movie, this Shah Rukh Khan mother, he tells Shah Rukh Khan that no work is bad if it does not hurt others. And Shah Rukh Khan keep on running on this kind of principle. Towards the end of the movie, Shah Rukh Khan realized, yes, no work is bad, but in the process he was hurting others. And by the time he realized, in the end of the movie he got killed also. A police encounter, that was something like shown. So when we achieve something, when we do something, nothing is wrong, nothing is bad, but if it does not hurt others. So we all must work for our happiness, but in the whole process we should not hurt others. So friends, I would like to conclude that what life we are living, what do we call it, chasing the something to the success, this is only the life. Destination is not life, destination is death only. So whatever living is today, let us enjoy that living, because this is the only life. Hope this will give you a food for thought and this will be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching today, friend.